Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Brehan, and now you're watching my channel. Today we have another stuff that we're gonna unbox. This time is the storage from the Hitachi, from the HJ Hitachi. I forget about the brand, but let's steal it up. So this is it. HGST. This is I believe this is product of Hitachi, but it's the alternative of the Hitachi, the main Hitachi of the HDD is this the SATA, and then there's a 320 gigabyte, and then there's the 7200 RPM. I think this is pretty cool. It's small. This is the twin. This is the 2.5 inches the HDD storage. So maybe I will try this, and then you will see, and you can see the result of this hard drive. Thanks for watching.